Wassel, it's Jay from ARIYA here. Let me share with you something. Have you ever been betrayed or abandoned by someone you loved or trusted unconditionally? I know what this pain feels like and how devastating it can be. It's like your entire life stops. You feel paralyzed and unable to do anything. It's as if your heart had been torn out of your chest. You know what I'm talking about, right? I've been through it myself, and I can assure you, even if you're a monk or a Jedi master, being stabbed in the back still hurts. But the advantage I had was that I knew how to control my mind. It's like having the ability to resurrect yourself at will, to bring yourself back from the ashes. I've been using and teaching these techniques for over 15 years now. They're ancient and very powerful. On a few occasions, they actually saved my life. So for the first ever time, I'm sharing my ultimate emotional healing system online, so you can learn wherever you are in the world and at your own pace. This course is unlike anything you've ever experienced. It's light years beyond anything else out there. I'm in it. Discover what kind of difference it can make for you. Find out how you can bring your life and your happiness back in 8 days or less. Wouldn't you agree that you deserve it? You deserve inner peace, the ability to enjoy your life, and the ability to perform at your best so you can keep achieving your goals. Don't stay locked in a prison of pain. Refuse to give that person who hurts you any degree of influence over you. Fight back. Don't let the bastards grind you down.